up first here, USD stablecoin premiums surge in Argentina following economy minister's resignation. The resignation of Argentina's economy minister, Martin Guzman, on Saturday led to a surge in the price of dollar-pegged stablecoins across exchanges in the country. With one of the highest crypto adoption rates in the world, Argentina's move highlights the growing importance of digital currencies. The departure of the minister, announced on his Twitter account on July 3rd in a letter of 7 pages, threatens to aggravate the difficulties of an economy already challenged by high inflation and a devalued national currency. Tether USDT is currently being traded at a 12% premium on the Binance exchange in Argentina pesos, or ARS, according to data from Cryptoya. This is a 116.25% premium compared to the current USD ARS exchange rate. The USD pegged stablecoins DAI, Binance USD, Pax Dollar, and Dollar On Chain have all seen a similar jump in price, according to the local crypto price tracking website. The Argentinian people have been increasingly turning to cryptocurrency as a way to protect their savings from the country's high inflation rates and the decreasing value of the Argentinian peso against the US dollar. In 2016, 1 USD could buy around 14.72 Argentinian pesos. However, due to inflation and the continued decline of the peso, 1 USD can now buy as many as 125.5 ARS. The extra premium on US dollar pegged stablecoins is a result of Decree number 609/2019, which has made it virtually impossible for Argentinians to exchange more than $200 in greenbacks per month at the official exchange rate. The Argentinian government introduced the currency peg as a way to protect the peso from further decline in value, as the economy continues to struggle. In May, the annual inflation rate in Argentina rose for the 4th consecutive month, reaching 60.7% according to Trading Economics. According to Statista, Argentina has the 6th highest adoption rate for cryptocurrencies globally, with an estimated 21% of the population using or owning crypto by 2021. In May, Cointelegraph reported that cryptocurrency adoption in Argentina had reached 12%. This is double the adoption rate in Peru, Mexico, and other countries in the region. The primary driver for this growth is citizens seeking a safe haven against rising inflation. As Bitcoin's value has fluctuated greatly, many Argentinians have turned to stablecoins that are pegged to the United States dollar as a way to store value. So that's very unfortunate for them. Thankfully, there are stablecoins that can kind of help them. We'll continue to keep you guys updated as that develops for sure. Up next here, haters to unite at the first conference for crypto skeptics. In the midst of the cryptocurrency market's latest bearish trend, those who are skeptical of the industry and asset class have gathered together to share their views and network with lawmakers at their own anti-crypto conference. Whereas most crypto conferences exist to promote the latest developments within the industry, Amy Castor, a crypto critic journalist, said in her July 3rd blog post that the Crypto Policy Symposium promises a way for disgruntled naysayers to voice their negativity. As the organizer of an upcoming symposium, Stephen Deal explained to Castor the importance of having a platform for the crypto community to speak directly to policymakers about how they believe the crypto industry should be regulated. The aim of the symposium, as Deal explained it to me, is to provide policymakers with the information and material they need to make informed decisions about crypto regulation. Government officials lack a solid understanding of cryptocurrency, which has led to skepticism among proponents of the technology. As Castor notes, government officials are uninformed about the potential benefits or drawbacks of cryptocurrency. Proponents of cryptocurrency argue that the technology has many potential benefits, while skeptics point to potential problems, such as the current DeFi domino collapse. Castor noted that policymakers tend to primarily receive input from well-funded crypto firms, which could bias their policy-making decisions. However, it remains difficult for the cryptocurrency industry to make headway in many areas, such as in New York State, where a proposed ban on Bitcoin mining activity is under consideration. In China and Australia, progress on cryptocurrency regulation is slow or non-existent due to mining and transaction bans, respectively. The event has invited members of government regulatory and financial agencies from the US and Europe. However, it is unclear at this time if any government officials have confirmed their attendance. The only speakers confirmed at this time are journalists, software engineers, and various professors. The symposium will take place in London on September 5th and 6th. It will be live streamed on the website. So that is pretty interesting. I don't know why. I mean, I guess there's a reason for it. I don't know why. If people don't like it, like why they're so against it, just don't utilize it. I don't know. I mean, who knows? But that would be something I think very interesting to watch and see how that unfolds. Up next here, 4th of July, Cardano Vassal upgrade successfully launches on Testnet. The Vassal hard fork has been successfully completed on the Cardano Testnet. This is a major step forward towards its implementation on the mainnet, which promises significant performance upgrades. In approximately 4 weeks, the mainnet will be getting the Vassal treatment. In order to ensure the integrations run smoothly, project developers, stake pool operators, and exchanges are now encouraged to deploy their work on the testnet. Once the Vassal hard fork is complete, it will allow for faster block creation and greater scalability for decentralized apps running on Cardano. In a July 3rd tweet, the organization that produced Cardano, Input Output HK or IOHK, said that in addition to the performance upgrades, developers would benefit from lower costs and improved script efficiency. Vassal will also enable compatibility between Cardano sidechains, one of the main features developers intend to launch in the current Basho phase of the blockchain's development. Basho is the 4th development phase for Cardano that focuses on scaling and will be followed up with the Voltaire phase, in which governance will be the main focus. IOHK has also noted that a proposal to hard fork the mainnet would not come until approximately 4 weeks when ecosystem partners are ready and comfortable. The previous phase, Guggen, saw the launch of smart contract capabilities on Cardano. Decentralized finance developers took advantage of this launch by creating dozens of dApp exchanges and DeFi protocols as tracked by ecosystem tracker Cardano Cube. According to the DeFi Llama data compiler, the top dApp on Cardano with $49.7 million in total value locked is currently the decentralized exchange Wing Riders. At present, the hard fork of the testnet has not had a significant impact on the price of ADA, which has risen by only 0.1% over the last 24 hours to 45 cents, as noted by CoinGecko. So that's some good news for them. I know that's been a long time coming. Hopefully that goes well and that can roll out soon. Up next here, British Army social media accounts hacked by crypto scammers. What's new? Again, every week, almost every day, it seems another hack. The social media accounts of the British Army were breached on Sunday for a period of 4 hours. The attackers promoted scam NFT collections and cryptocurrency scams. The MOD press office is aware that the Army's social media accounts have been compromised, and is investigating the matter. This occurred at 2 p.m. EST on Sunday. The office provided an update at close to 5:45 p.m. EST that the account breaches had been resolved. The British Army's official Twitter account also apologized for the post, saying that it would conduct an investigation and learn from this incident. Some users have posted screenshots of the British Army's official Twitter account, which appear to show the hackers promoting at least 2 fraudulent derivatives of the Possess and Bapes Clan NFT collections. Here is a tweet out from the Ministry of Defense press office. According to one screenshot, it appears that the hackers have pinned a tweet to a fake mint of the Possessed NFT collection. This tweet likely contains a phishing link that, if clicked, would drain user funds. Tom Watson, one of the collection's creators, has warned followers about this fake information and has asked them to report the account. Hackers took over a YouTube account and made it look like the account of popular investment firm ARK Invest. They posted live stream videos of supposed interviews with well-known figures such as Elon Musk and Jack Dorsey, which were watched by thousands of people. On the commandeered YouTube channel, the posted videos presented QR codes for viewers to send cryptocurrency to, claiming they would receive double back. The QR codes also promoted the cryptocurrency giveaway scams. It is currently unknown who was responsible for the attack, how they were able to execute it, and how many people have fallen victim to the phishing and scam links. All of the links, tweets, and related material from the account breaches have been deleted by the British Army. As per report, crypto scammers have stolen up to $1 billion in 2021, with social media platforms accounting for nearly 50% of all scams. The United States Federal Trade Commission has warned that social media and crypto make a combustible combination for fraud. In late May, Beeple's Twitter account was compromised and links were posted to a phishing website. The attacker was able to gain over $438,000 in crypto and various NFTs. The links look like they were for surprise mint of a new Beeple NFT collection. In June, a similar stealth mint phishing link was posted on the compromised Twitter account of the upcoming Duppy's NFT collection. At least one victim lost 650 Solana, worth around $18,850 at the time. It's very unfortunate, but these things happen. Make sure to always look into something before you click on any links, before you invest any money, get into any project. Putting money in and getting double back sounds too good to be true, so hopefully not a lot of people fell for that. Up next here, keys lost in the Vold. Singapore crypto exchange freezes withdrawals. Yet another one. In light of recent events, Vold has made the difficult decision to suspend all withdrawals, trading, and deposits on its platform with immediate effect. They apologize for any inconvenience this may cause. It appears that the crypto bank is facing a run as customers have attempted to withdraw a total of $197.7 million since June 12, 2022. The group plans to file for a moratorium with the Singapore courts in order to protect its assets. The recent decision to suspend withdrawals has been widely criticized. Just 18 days ago, the company stated that business would continue as usual, yet now they are exploring possible restructuring options. This sudden change has caused many to question the stability of the company. On June 21st, Darshan Bathija, CEO of Vold, tweeted that the company had cut their team by 30%. This was the first sign that the company was under duress. Bathija had also stressed that Three Arrows Capital, an early investor in the company, had exited in late 2021. Vold's statement suggests that the volatile market conditions, financial difficulties of their key business partners, and the current market climate were all factors in their decision to freeze customers' money. Despite this, 3AC's demise is seen as a significant contributing factor to the failure of CeFi companies. 3AC had a large investment in Terra, which failed spectacularly, reducing 3AC's holdings from $560 million to $670. It is certainly true that Vold is following in the footsteps of larger CeFi platforms like Celsius, Voyager, and BlockFi. Voyager recently blamed 3AC for their decision to freeze customers' funds, while BlockFi is close to a $240 million deal with FTX following financial difficulties. Plans to salvage Celsius from bankruptcy were recently shared by lead investor Bank to the Future. For crypto investigative journalist Otaru, the difficulties faced by Vold are more motivation for investors to hold onto their own private keys. Holding onto one's private keys is a guiding principle of crypto investing. If you do not hold your own keys, you do not truly own your coins. As Cointelegraph reported in a March 2021 press release, Vold offered double-digit interest rates on popular stablecoins such as Tether and DAI, while Bitcoin interest could reach 7.23%. In effect, in lending your cryptocurrency tokens to Vold, you would generate a yield. However, the company effectively owned your assets. That's not a good look. The rates offered by BlockFi were competitive with those offered by other lenders and interest-bearing platforms such as Celsius and Nexo. So that's unfortunate. Again, Three Arrows Capital looks like people that they were investing in because of their bad financial state now is affecting all of these other companies. So my condolences to you if you're affected by that. Last article here, Peter Schiff's bank closure strengthens Bitcoin case for financial freedom. Prominent economist Peter Schiff, who is well known for his anti-crypto sentiments, had his bank shut down by Puerto Rico regulators. The revelation led to crypto Twitter pointing out the irony as Schiff's prediction for Bitcoin came true for his own traditional bank. Puerto Rico regulators closed Schiff's bank for failing to meet minimum capital requirements, leaving customers without access to their accounts. In an interview, Mr. Schiff acknowledged that customers may have lost money in the abrupt closure of the bank, but stated that he was unaware of any regulatory minimums or of any legal notice prior to the closure. He added that the compliance costs associated with running a small bank are very high and that this is why he never really made any money from the bank. As an observer of what some deemed to be a momentous plot twist, the cryptocurrency community took the opportunity to expound upon the importance of Bitcoin in revolutionizing traditional finance. Stephen Levera, a Bitcoin podcaster, commented on the situation, saying he's, or Schiff's, been a Bitcoin skeptic since $17.50. It's currently $19,100. The sudden closure of Schiff's bank in Puerto Rico has led to a renewed discussion about Bitcoin's resistance to judicial supremacy. The irony here is that Schiff is now being helped by those he once mocked. Hodl Magoo noted this while others offered suggestions for alternatives to traditional finance. One user asked if he understood why he needed Bitcoin now. In contrast, Puerto Rico has been willing to accept crypto in the region. On April 20th, Puerto Rico authorities awarded a money transmitter license to Binance US, a United States-based subsidiary of crypto exchange Binance. This makes them the fourth jurisdiction in America to do so. While the crypto community sympathizes with Schiff and the bank's customers for their losses, the episode illustrates Bitcoin's potential to replace traditional finance. Deutsche Bank analysts believe that Bitcoin prices will rebound to $28,000 by the end of the year, despite the current bear market. The analysts Marian Labor and Galina Pozniakova have envisioned the Standard & Poor to rebound back to its January levels. They believe that this could result in a 30% increase in Bitcoin's value from current levels midway through 2022. This would bring the price of Bitcoin up to the $28,000 mark. So that's pretty interesting. What do you guys think? Do you guys think it'll hit back to $28,000 by the end of the year? I don't think that's unreasonable at all. Let me know your guys' thoughts on this. Peter Schiff's bank closing down. The tables have turned. That's all we have for you today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment on what you want to see in a future video, and we'll see you next time.